Hey guys, today we have undoubtedly the weirdest product review we have ever done on Long Long Honeymoon. A bidet. And up front, I want you to know I'm going to try to keep this video clean. I don't really like discussing scatological topics, but we received a question from a Long Long Honeymoon newsletter subscriber who asked if we have any experience with RV or travel bidets and said he would love to see a review of one. A bidet is simply a little washlet that sprays water to clean dirty places. I first discovered bidets about 20 years ago when I was doing business in Japan. If you go to a nice Japanese hotel and sit on the toilet, you're going to feel like you're in Captain Kirk's chair on the Starship Enterprise. You will find all sorts of high-tech controls. Not only the spray of the water, you can heat the water, you can heat the seat, you can turn on a fan. The bowl cleans itself before and after the bathroom visit. When I saw those Japanese bidets 20 years ago, I suddenly felt like a complete caveman.
Caveman, want leaves? Oh. Modern leaf. Good.
Because think about it. If you have something dirty, what's the most effective way to clean it? If your car is dirty, do you grab a bunch of paper and rub it with paper? Here's a boondocking tip. Instead of taking a shower, just wipe your body down with dry toilet paper because it's such an effective cleaning method. No, you use water.
Wow, look at that.
So why do we use paper to clean the dirtiest of dirty places? When we travel with our RV, we're obviously constrained with regard to water consumption. We don't have a full-size bidet in our Airstream. So what we do have is this. This is pretty much the nicest travel bidet that I could find. It comes with its own nice little carry case. And by the way, the bidet should stay pretty much clean at all times. This bidet never gets dirty. And this bidet is made by Toto. Toto is sort of the Mercedes of toilets. They make fantastic high-tech bidets that are used throughout Asia and really throughout the world. So let's take a close-up look at this bidet. You know this is the real deal because it's got Japanese writing on the side. When it's in this folded up state, there is no water inside. So if you're on a hike, you need to carry water with you. If you're in a bathhouse or in your RV, you'll probably want to use your faucet to fill this with water. First, you open up the water chamber and slide the device open. There's a chamber inside, or a little reservoir, that will fill with water. So you fill this with water and seal it shut. Then you fold out the wand and now you're ready for action. On one side of this wand, when you push the button, water is emitted in a really focused, concentrated cleaning jet. You have to rotate the bidet upside down to get a good stream of water. Here it goes. Look at that. Can you see it? So I'm going to completely empty the water canister. It's a pretty strong stream of water. And in fact, it will splatter some water around, I'm warning you. So there it is, ran out. Now, in theory, you should be mostly clean. Use a little bit of paper to dry off and finish up the job. And you can fold everything back up, put it back together, and get back to the business of enjoying the great outdoors. As you may have noticed, it is not completely silent. So if you're using this in a public restroom, people might hear that. Not a big deal, just something to know. This is powered by one AA battery, So it's very easy to find spare batteries for it, and it lasts a long time off of a battery. Now, with regard to the cleaning power of this bidet, it helps. Is this as good as a $5,000 Toto toilet? No. But is it better than a big wad of paper? Yes. And in fact, used in concert with paper, I believe it will provide enhanced cleanliness. You will feel clean, and you will indeed be much more clean than you would have been without it. From a camping / hiking standpoint, this thing is very small, very lightweight, very portable. It can help reduce the amount of paper that you need. It reduces the amount of paper waste. All you need is a little bit of water to clean yourself. And by the way, you don't necessarily have to pony up for the fancy Toto Japanese model. This thing costs about $70 to $80. There are cheaper models available, not made by Toto, but some of them are battery operated, some of them are not. You can get travel bidets for as low as $15 to $20. I have not tried every travel bidet on the market. I can only report my experience with the finest. So if you care about personal hygiene, you care about being clean, you might look into having a travel bidet. Certainly if you're traveling with a baby and you just changed a diaper, I think one of these could come in very handy. So that's it. I hope that I kept it relatively clean. A look at the Toto Portable Washlet. These will be available beneath this video in the description, and also there will be links in our Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/honeymoon. Until next time, what do we say? Lo ho. Going hiking, remember the 3 B's: bear spray, banana slicer, and bidet.